The more you share your life with others, the fewer opportunities you have to accomplish something truly extraordinary. If you ask me, everyone should step away from the world and its distractions at least once in their life, even if just for a short while. Personally, my own growth and success only happened when I went off the grid for a while. Let's face it, people often envy your achievements rather than celebrate them. It's just human nature. Society teaches us to compare ourselves to others, always trying to one-up them, whether it's financially, socially, or professionally. When you decide to disappear, you no longer rely on anyone's feedback or validation. You won't receive any praise or criticism. It's just you, working silently like a shadow, laser-focused on improving yourself day and night. No one will know you're crafting a new, upgraded version of yourself, but when you finally emerge, your transformation will leave everyone's speechless. Right now, keep your journey private. Don't share your opinions or ideas unnecessarily. Speak only when absolutely necessary. Let people wonder what's going on in your mind. This air of mystery makes you intriguing and untouchable. And this doesn't just apply to strangers. It includes family, friends, and coworkers too. It's tough to resist the urge to share because humans are social creatures. But if you want to disappear effectively, you must reprogram your mind. Stop worrying about what others think of you. Here's a secret. People don't think about you nearly as much as you believe. They're too busy worrying about their own lives. Channel all your energy into your goals. While you're invisible, devote every ounce of energy to your goals. Create a detailed plan for what you want to achieve, whether it's earning a degree, growing a business, landing your dream job, or transforming yourself physically or mentally. Write down your goals, pair them with visuals, and keep them where only you can see them. Your life should revolve around these goals. Cut out the distractions. Ditch Instagram scrolling, Netflix binges, and pointless conversations. Picture yourself like a tech entrepreneur building the next big startup in their garage. Imagine working 14 hours a day, fine-tuning your craft while others spend their evenings relaxing. When you finally compete, you'll outshine everyone who spent less time preparing. Once your transformation is complete, when you've grown mentally sharper, physically stronger, and financially stable, you can step back into the world. And here's the kicker. When you return, your life will have surpassed even your wildest expectations. What once seemed like ambitious goals will now feel like stepping stones to something far greater. But your hunger for growth won't stop there. You'll chase even bigger dreams and set higher goals. You'll stay a mystery to others, thriving in the shadows and living a richer, more fulfilling life than ever before. If this message resonated with you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.